Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a chart on a Google Sheet. So first thing we have to do is just open the Google Sheet, and this is the look. So if you want to create a chart, make sure that you already have the data. You can create the new sheets by click this plus button, and you just need to put the information related into the title of the files that you have. But if you already have one, you just need to open from your previous file. So here I already have my data. So I have a sales recap of Tommy Covey September 2023. So this data is information about the sellers for the Tommy Covey. There will be a product information such as espresso, americano, cappuccino, cafe latte, and so on. And there will be also a quantity right after the product information. So in a month, in September, there already 124 pieces of espresso sold, and so on. So I want to make this table information into a chart, so to make we easier read this data and do a comparisons quite easy, which product that sells highly or strongly through this month. So the things we have to do is just block all of the table. So you just need to click and drag this so that all of this information in the blue color, and after that you just need to click a plus, and now you will be able to access the insert features, and just need to click chart. And here you can do choose the type of the chart. You can make a column, or you can also make a bar as well as the pie. So today I want to use pie, so you just need to click this, and after that, after you're done, you just need to click done. And now we already have this chart, a pie chart related into the information that we have on this Google Sheet. And for the next, we just need to adjusting this size of the chart by drag this corner into inside like this to make it smaller. Okay, so you just need to put it right after the tables. And now you already have a chart for this table data, and it also make you easier to read. So here we can see that the cappuccino have the highest amount of sales through this month, and the milkshake has the lowest sales for this month. That's all the way how to create chart on a Google Sheet. If you find this tutorial useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.